Hi and Assalamualaikum to Madam Fazlin. I am Nurul Shazali Mitra Rasmaini. My mention number 2023115811 and I am from group M3 CDCS 2303B. As you can see on the slide, my topic today is GPT3. Next, we moving to the next page, which is the table of content. So this is the table of content of my presentation. This presentation is structured as follows. The first one is what is the GPT-3. Next, manufacture of GPT-3, AI techniques, technologies in the development of GPT-3, functions and features of GPT-3, and the last but not least is conclusion. We move on to what is GPT-3. GPT-3, also known as Generative Pre-trained Transformer Tree, is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI, a leading artificial intelligence research laboratory. It is a neural network-based language model that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like text. GPT-3 has been trained on a massive amount of text data and can perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks such as language translation, question answering, and text summarization. Next, we have manufacturer of GPT-3. GPT-3 is developed by OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research laboratory consisting of the for-profit corporation OpenAI LP and its parent company, the non-profit OpenAI Inc. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by a group of technology leaders including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Elias Schiver, and John Scullman. We move on to AI techniques. GPT-3 are divided to two AI techniques. The first one is transformer architecture. Transformer architecture is to generate natural language text. This architecture was first introduced in a research paper by Vasani et al. In 2017 and has since become a popular technique for natural language processing tasks. Transformer architecture also a type of neural network that is based on the idea of self-attention. Self-attention allows the network to weigh the importance of the different parts of the input sequence when generating the output sequence. This is useful for natural language processing tasks as it allows the network to focus on the most relevant parts of the input when generating text. The next technique that GPT-3 uses are unsupervised learning. It is trained on a large amount of text data without any specific target outputs. During training, the network is presented with a sequence of text and is asked to predict the next word in the sequence. This process is repeated over and over again, allowing the network to learn the patterns and structures of natural language. And then, we move on to the technologies in the development of GPT-3. The development of GPT-3 involves several technologies that are commonly used in artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Here are some of the key technologies involved. The first one is deep learning. GPT-3 is based on deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to model and solve complex problems. Next, neural networks. GPT-3 uses neural networks, which are a set of algorithms that are modeled after the human brain. Neural networks are used to process large amounts of data and can learn to recognize patterns and make predictions. Next, cloud computing. GPT-3 is deployed on the cloud, which allows it to scale to handle large amounts of data and perform complex language processing tasks. And the fourth one is transformer architecture. GPT-3 uses the transformer architecture, which is a neural network architecture that uses self-attention mechanism to process input data. Next, unsupervised learning. GPT-3 is trained using unsupervised learning, which means that it is trained on a large amount of data without any specific target outputs. And the last but not least is natural language processing. GPT-3 is an application of natural language processing, which is a field of study focused on developing algorithms and models for understanding and processing natural language. We move on to functions and features. GPT-3 is a language model that can perform a variety of natural language processing tasks. Here are some of its main functions and features. The first one is text generation. It is capable of generating high-quality text that is difficult to distinguish from text written by a human. This makes it a valuable tool for generating content such as articles, reports, and product descriptions. Next, question answering. It can answer questions posed in natural language. It is useful for customer service applications where customers can ask questions and receive instant answers. Next, text summarization. It can summarize long text, making it easier to extract key information and insights of large amounts of data. Moreover, language translation. GPT-3 can translate text from one language to another. This is useful for businesses and organizations that operate in multiple countries and need to communicate with customers and stakeholders in different languages. Furthermore, chatbot development. GPT-3 can be used to develop chatbots that can interact with users in natural language. This is useful for customer service applications where chatbots can handle common queries and free up human agents to handle more complex issues. And lastly, sentiment analysis. GPT-3 can analyze the sentiment of piece of text, allowing businesses and organizations to monitor public sentiment around their brand or products. Now, we're moving to the conclusion, which is the last part. GPT-3 is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI that is capable of performing a wide range of natural language processing tasks. It is based on the transformer architecture and trained using unsupervised learning, which allows it to generate high-quality text, perform language translation, answer questions, summarize text, analyze sentiment, and develop chatbots. Its ability to generate human-like text has made it a valuable tool for content creation and automation, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and use natural language in our daily life. So, that's all from me. Thank you. Bye!